Welcome to this week's Market Outlook with your host, Pastor Pips. Guys, don't forget to check out www.litcapital.co.uk and see what packages we have to offer. Other than that, let's just get straight into the economic calendar for this week. We do have a lot of ECB speeches and meeting minutes for the euro throughout the week. You can see that on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we've got Summit, and also Friday. So yeah, pretty heavy for the euro throughout the whole entire week. Now, in terms of what economic calendars do or economic events, sorry, do stand out to me is going to be CPI on Wednesday for the pound, Fed interest rate decision with the FOMC press conference on Wednesday. So Wednesday is due to be highly manipulated and very, very heavy. Thursday, we do have Bank of Interest rate decision for the pound with their meeting minutes closely followed by the release of that interest rate decision. Also, initial jobless claims, new home sales, and building permits for the dollar on Thursday. Friday, we have retail sales, composite manufacturing and services PMI for the pound, and manufacturing PMI for the euro, all coming in early hours. We're going to finish off the week with core durable goods for the dollar and core retail sales for the CAD. But yeah, other than that, the main thing that is taking precedent will, of course, be that FOMC minutes with the Bank of England interest rate decision. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm going to go straight over to the dollar. Have a look at the dollar and see how it's played out so far. So we can see with price taking out these weekly highs, we've grabbed the liquidities and above, and we started to come down lower and retrace. Now, looking at the daily, thinking of where we could potentially head to lower. Of course, my immediate attention is drawn to this daily low, which will have liquidity sitting beneath, and also this daily bit of imbalance. Now, of course, this daily lip block here does also stand out to me. We could potentially see price push up into this, or push lower, sorry, into this area for us to then get some more potential longs where we can look at the 110 area, etc., etc., etc. Now, when we do come closer to the 4-hour time frame, having a look, I would not be surprised if we do get a push up from this 4-hour candle higher. We can see there on the daily that we didn't, in fact, come to the daily gap and fill it or close it at all. We kind of just left it behind. So I would not be surprised if we do actually get some price action to push the dollar back up higher. Now, looking at the S&P 500, the setup played out perfectly, which I did post inside of our Discord community. And we did also actively take part in the market with some longs and also some shorts. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see how price is perfectly with the foot of the 4-hour candle, and we've started to reject and react down lower towards the close of last week. Now, the area was a 5-minute area, and we can see that it has played out very, very well. This was also posted inside of the Discord, guys. So remember, guys, don't forget to check out www.litcapital.co.uk if you'd like access to our Discord. Also, you can send us a DM at litcapital_, and someone from the team will get to you. Now, in terms of what I can see here, we can see these lows that price has printed towards the close of last week. I would not be surprised if we get a bit of a push up into this 5-minute candle here to then potentially take out the low. But we'll just have to see how it all plays out towards the start of the week. I wouldn't really expect anything monumental or major happening due to the FOMC minutes being on Wednesday. So things might just gradually heat up, and then we're going to get the big move on Wednesday, and then maybe Thursday we can have a look, and Friday maybe we get slightly better price action. We'll see how that goes. Realistically, I am expecting the weekly lows to get taken, to get swiped. If we can come out for these lows, that would be absolutely brilliant. There is a lot more potential to the downside. We've kind of been inside this area, and looking at the daily and the fact that we didn't push up higher once we got back into the zone and we came down lower, I will be expecting lower prices longer term. Cool. Other than that, let's have a look at the pound dollar. Now, with cable, when it comes to cable, we've actually seen prices holding up a lot more than we've seen other pairs hold up against the dollar, sorry. Now, with the pound continuing to push up, the only area that I do have left standing alone will be this daily area. Okay, the price for it will be 1.22768. I'd like to see this high get taken out before we can potentially look to short this. Now, if that area does not hold, then we're going to have to look at the higher time frame areas and see if we can take out these weekly equal highs. At the moment, realistically, I am expecting the pound to, of course, come down to this daily area, which is what stands out to me, and the area where I'd like to potentially take some longs to then take out these highs at a later date. However, if that doesn't happen, we do have other contingency plans and other things to look out for as we are heading up higher. So yeah, in terms of the pound right now, we look likely to take out these highs left at the start of the trading week on Monday. However, we'll just have to wait and see how the price action moves on. Now, other than that, guys, nothing much to really report. Most likely going to be continuations from last week. But I do remember the FOMC minutes and also the Bank of England's interest rate decision on Thursday. So things may take a little bit longer to warm up for the start of this week. But yeah, other than that, guys, I hope you enjoy this market outlook. Make sure to drop a like, comment, and share. And yeah, don't forget to also check out www.lakecapital.co.uk if you'd like access to our setups and more. With that being said, unit vibes is lit side. And remember, every day is money days. Pass the pips. I'll see you later. Peace.